Good morning, children. So last class we have discussed regarding that is working with tables, by that is using tables, record, fields. Then how to create a table. There are two ways, that is data sheet view and design view. Then I have explained regarding data types. So there are 7 data types we have: auto number, text, number, currency, date and time, yes or no, and memo. So last class we discussed with one table, that is admission number, first name, last name, date of birth, class. So it will be continued now. So here in this table, if you want to make a primary key, so what do you mean by primary key? So primary key is the field that has a unique value. So for example, in class, that is roll number, name, class, division. Suppose this is a table, so roll number is the primary key. So here we, in this table, admission number is the primary key here, because no two students will be having the same roll number or else admission number here. So here two steps to set admission number as a primary key. So select the admission number field. So you can see it on the screen here. It is displayed here, children. So select admission number field. So in that we have, in the tools group, we have primary key icon on the top. You can see on the left side. Can you see there? So here you have to click on primary key, and when it is clicked, children, automatically that icon you can see here, number 3 you can see here beside that admission number icon, admission number field. So here you can see the small key icon here. So that means that particular field is being done as primary key. And which view you can see here? This is the design view. This is the design view. You can make it as a primary key here. So after this one you have to close the design view. Then after this one, children, how to insert new field in design view. So either you can insert field in design view or else data sheet view. Both views you can insert. So now I am going to explain how to insert a new field in design view. Suppose you have taken first name, last name, date of birth, class. So if you want to insert, that is address here in between, or else date of birth here. So in between if you want to insert, so we have, it is being displayed now, children. So on the screen you can see how to insert a new field in a design view. So you can check here. So here on the top you can see here, select the wherever you want, you have to place the cursor first. So in between if you want to insert the field, so if you have skipped it, you can select, you have to keep the cursor, then go to insert rows. You can see it on the top, that is 2, number 2 here. You can, it is displayed, it is there. You have to click on that. Then a particular blank field will be displayed here. So in that you have to type, specify the new field name and the data type. You have to type, for example, they have typed here address, memo. Before that they have taken class, date of birth, last name. So first name, it has been inserted here. So you can check it out here. So according to that, even data type you have to select. Suppose first name, text, last name, text, date of birth, date and time, class, number, address, memo, like that, transport, yes or no. So this is how you can insert a new field in a design view, by clicking on insert rows option and by writing the field name, selecting the particular data type. So next option is, children, how to delete a field. So either you can delete a field in your design view or else your data sheet view also. So I'll explain it is in design view. How to first how to open the design view. So on the top you can see there is a option, that is view. Left side you can click on that. You will be getting two options, data sheet and design view. Click on design view, and here whichever rows if you want to delete, deleting a field, it is there. On the design tab in the tools group, this is the tools group. So click on the delete rows button. The selected field gets deleted from the table. So if you want to delete the rows, select the rows, then click on delete rows here. So particular rows will be deleted from your design view, children. So next one is renaming a field. Renaming a field is nothing but, suppose if you have entered as roll number, if you want to change it as roll number of the student, for example, you can rename it. So only thing is select the field name you want to rename, type the new name of the field and press enter key. This is what in design view you can do, or else one more option you have in a data sheet view. Double click on the field name, that will be selected automatically. Press backspace key, then type the field name, then press enter key. That is what in your data sheet view. So next one, adding records to a table in a data sheet view. However, you know, data sheet is used allows the user to enter the data or the information. So how to add the records? So wherever you want in the field, below the field name, double click on the table name in the left pane, whichever you want. There the table will be displayed in data sheet view. Which table you want, you have to select. Then you can add records by entering appropriate values here. So whichever data you want, you can add with the help of these options. So the next is, it will be displayed on the screen, children. You can see it here. So that is adding records to a table in a data sheet view here. So this is what you can see here. So this is a data sheet view. Clearly it is been given. So that is the navigation pane, document pane and object tab. 3 parts of windows are there. So below that you will be having your admission number, first name, last name, date of birth, class, address. So suppose if you want to enter the records here, just you have to first select the table whichever you want, left side. Then here it will be displayed in the document pane wherein we are entering the data. Then wherever here you have to click and enter the details. So this is how you are adding the records, deleting the records, renaming the fields, then deleting the records, inserting a new field in a design view. So these all options I have explained you, children. So last option is deleting a record from a table in a data sheet view. However, you can delete from design view whatever field names, if you want, you have inserted, same thing if you want to delete it from your data sheet view. So only thing is the steps to delete records from the table in data sheet view. So you have to select the record to be deleted by selecting the full row. So you can be getting a thick arrow mark. By that you can select that particular record. Then press delete key on the keyboard, or else on the top select delete from records group in the home tab. So on the top you can see it here how to delete. So in the home option you will be having a delete rows option. So automatically, and if you click on yes option, the particular record will be deleted permanently and you won't get it back. So this is how you are working with the table. So MS Access, now you have got an idea regarding MS Access, what is table, how to insert the details in data sheet view, and how to design the that is table in a design view by entering the appropriate field names and data types here. So children, here ends your chapter. So I'll be giving notes for this one. Thank you.